are celebrating the 25th New Year.
Yep.
Yan guys. So yan, mag-blow tayo ng candle. We blow candle. Yan. Yani, why you light again?
Yeah.
Yan guys. Hindi mamamatay yung kandila. Yan, siguro yan. Ibang kandila.
Boom!
may paputok yung kandila natin. New Year. Yan. Somebody. Sabihin natin si Abby na pizza. Yung handa natin guys, iyan lang. Pizza. Sweet potato. Pie. So, may prawns tayo. So, yan. May ano siya. Sausawan. Yung prawns natin guys. So, nag-ano tayo ng fruit cake. Habi, enjoy your food. Saka biko. Nagbiko tayo. Yan lang ang handa natin.
I got something in my mouth. I got some pizza.
Ah, may pizza. Very nice that. Favorito ni Habi itong carrot cake. Kaya pag may mga ano kami, okasyon, carrot cake yan ang binibili ni Habi talaga.
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year 2025! Pef! Yan guys. Bigyan natin, honey. Honey. So,
Happy New Year, sweetheart.
Happy New Year too, honey. Yan. Happy New Year!
That is some good root beer.
You like the root beer? Huh?
Yeah.
I like to.
Okay, right now.
Okay, good. Si Abby, kakain yan, unti-unti lang. Kaya hindi natin, pilitin. Ano? I think it's bitter there, but cannot see the,
That's fine.
You want the sweet potato? Sweet potato.
I'm gonna eat some more pizza in a little bit. I just gotta go full.
Okay, honey. I understand. Yan, guys. Sweet potato. Yan, sarap si Habi magawa ng sweet potato eh. Lagyan ng marshmallow ang ibabaw. Yan. Sarap. Pwede. Medyo malayo. So tayo lang makain si Abby, konti-konti lang. Kaya, kahit maghanda tayo ng marami, maano lang, sasayang. So, it's better, practical na lang. Celebrate yung enough foods lang. Kung anong gusto kainin, yun lang. So, ganun lang, guys. Happy New Year, honey.
Happy New Year's to you. I love you.
Love you too. Yes. Thank you for watching our video, guys. See you in my next vlog. Bye-bye. Bye, honey.
Bye, guys.